Good day, everyone. You're welcome to the lesson of today. Our subject is Basic Science and Technology. Our focus is on PHE, that's Physical Health Education. And our topic for today is hockey. Hockey. We'll be focusing on the facilities and equipment of hockey. In the last lesson, we talked about the history and the skills of hockey game. Today we are looking at the facilities and equipment of hockey game. My name is Ms. Adegoke. You're welcome to this class. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to list the facilities of hockey game and mention some equipment of hockey game. Okay, before we look at the facilities and the equipment of hockey game, we have to have a brief recollection of what the game of hockey is. We've been told, and as you can see again, hockey is a game played by two teams, each made up of 11 players. The game is played on a rectangular field with curved sticks. Each of the opponent try to score goals as well as defend their sides with curved line. As you can see on the screen, you can see these players. You can see them with their curved stick. This is what they use to play the game of hockey. You can see the stick here. You can see this. You can see the end of the stick that it is curved. That is what they use to move the ball. Look at this picture again. Can you see the way this player is using the stick to hold the ball? You see lifting up the ball with the curved side of the stick. And you can see the other players as well, some holding their sticks, you see, practicing holding the ball. This is also a picture of players, you see. This is the process of passing and then dribbling, to move the ball from one part of the field to the other while making sure that the opponent does not get the ball. Okay, we come to the facilities of hockey. Facilities has to do with the things that are needed, the major things that we need to play the game of hockey. Number one, we have the shooting circle. When the game wants to start, the two sides have to come together. You can see in the picture here. This player is putting on black jersey, and then this one is putting on color yellow. They represent two different sides, and you can see the game is to start at the center, the shooting circle. You can see the center there. That's where the game will start from. Then they start passing and then dribbling. So the shooting circle is the area within which the ball must be played by an attacker in order to score a goal. We also have the goal post. You can see the picture of a goal post here. Okay, this is usually enclosed with a net and screen behind it. Then we have the flag post. As you can see on the screen, we have the flag post. This is placed at each corner of the field and at the center. The stick has a flat surface on its left hand and round at the other side. This is one of the types that we have. Just like the sticks that the players use, sometimes they come in that shape. Okay, let's look at some equipment, the things that the players must have before they play the game. Number one, they need the ball. You can see the ball here. It is a white ball. The ball is needed. Number two, the stick. You can see the stick for playing the hockey game here. They need the stick. You can see the curved mouth. You can see the curved mouth there. Whatever color it is, the mouth is curved. We have the stick. Then we have the rubber hand leather boot. It's a rubber hull leather boot. It depends on which one you're putting on. You can see these players, you see, with their leather boots. Then you need your stockings. You can see them. The stockings cover what is used to protect that part of their leg. Okay, we have more equipment. We have jersey, you can see, with a sleeve. This one has no sleeve. you know, the jersey. Then we have the shorts. You can see them. They have to put on shorts. Then they have the keeper's glove. Okay, the keeper has to put on a glove. Okay, this is another picture of people playing the game of hockey. You can see they're even playing with skates on. We've seen a picture like that earlier on. Players playing with skates on. You can see, you see, on a skate ring. So as you can see there, that is the picture of players playing the game of hockey. It could be on a field and it could be on a skate ring like you can see here. Okay, so in conclusion, we have learnt that hockey is a game played by two teams, each made up of 11 players. And the game is played with the help of facilities and equipment such as ball, which is always white, stick, jersey, boot, stockings, etc. In order to test your knowledge, you have to answer these questions. Number 1, you list 3 facilities of hockey. Number 2, you mention 6 equipment of hockey. Get your answers and send them to my mail. It's on the first page of this slide. That's adedayo.adegoke@greenlandhall.org. So get your answers done and send them to me. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.